A very warm welcome to today's edition of Money Moves. I am Melissa Enoch, and this is Thursday, September the 18th. In South Africa, the South African Reserve Bank has decided to maintain its key interest rate at 7%, holding steady after inflation surprised with an easing to 3.3% year-on-year in August. The Monetary Policy Committee's vote was split. 4 members backed holding rates, while 2 urged a cut. Let's hear what the governor had to
Underlying
say.
inflation remains contained, with core inflation around 3%. Inflation expectations also moderated further in the latest survey, which shows South Africans are getting used to lower inflation. We anticipate that headline inflation will rise over the next few months, peaking at around 4%. Our forecast now incorporates higher electricity price inflation of nearly 8% rather than 6%, given the recent pricing correction by NERSA.
In global news, happening now is the 2025 Michel Camdessus Central Banking Lecture, where the managing director of the IMF, Kristalina Georgieva, is delivering the opening remarks. Let's now join the live.
As somebody who truly led the thinking on these tools, and as a practitioner in applying them, you would teach us valuable lessons in the lecture you would give us today.
In Kenya, the central bank has launched the Kasonia Compounded Index, a new benchmark based on daily overnight rates. The index opened at 100.000 on September 1 and stood at 100.2862 by September 12, a 0.29% rise equal to about 9.36% annualized. Kasonia tracks real shipping interbank unsecured lending and provides a continuous return measure similar to SONIA in the UK and SOFR in the US. The index will also drive loan pricing under the new risk-based credit model, with variable rate loans now linked to Kasonia Plus premiums and fees, replacing the central bank rate as the reference. Finally, on news now, Momentum Group, one of South Africa's leading insurers, has reported record full-year 2025 results, with normalized headline earnings surging 41% to 6.26 billion rand. The group declared a final dividend of 90 cents per ordinary share, bringing the full-year payout to 175 cents, up 40% from the previous year. Return on equity rose to 21.2% compared to 15.5% a year ago. Embedded value per share stood at 42.51 rand as of June 30, with a 19.1% return on embedded value. CEO Jeanette Marais said the results reflect the strength of the group's diversified portfolio and disciplined execution of its impact strategy. Let's now go over to Grace for today's markets review. Hello there, Grace.
Thank you, Melissa. Now let's track today's markets, starting off with the equities. As you can see on your screen, the African stock markets today had a mixed outing. Here in Nigeria, the NGX All-Share Index closed at the positive, up 0.16%. The Barrel of AM in Abidjan also rose 0.14%. In North Africa, the EGX closed on the positive, up 1.22%, while Morocco's MASI rose 0.77%. While in South Africa, the JSE slipped 0.10%. Let's switch into the commodities data deck, beginning with energy prices. Oil prices edged higher, with Brent crude up 0.43% at $68.24 per barrel, and US WTI gained 0.42%. Natural gas fell 1.29%, and RBOB gasoline was also down 0.11% to $2 as of 12:59 GMT.
Grace, thank you very much for those market updates. And that's it on today's edition of Money Moves. From all of us here at the FMDQ studios, we say thank you very much for watching and bye for now.